Welcome back. Systeme gives us the ability to set up a digital product. We can go to the Product tab. We can then go to the Courses tab. Now, this is not a full-blown tutorial on how to create a digital course in Systeme.io. You will have modules. You will create different modules, and you will create content within those modules. So when we click Lecture, that's going to open up into a lecture theme. We can then click Save, and then our lecture page is going to be ready. We can click on top of that lecture page, and what you'll notice is that there are different elements that we can customize inside of the WYSIWYG editor, including the video. So we can go to the video, and we can either upload the video, we can custom embed it, or we can use a direct link from a YouTube channel. Once we have set our content, we can click Save Changes, and our content is now saved inside of our course. We can now go to the Settings tab, and we can activate the course. And our course is now activated. Now that our course is created, we need to create course access. We will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.